Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the courtesy light on a 2006 ZX190. I bought this TH Marine courtesy light and replace this one. Pop off the cover to access the screws. Once the screws are out, you pull the light out, just have to rewire it. If you go underneath the console, you have the butt connectors. Blue wire is positive, black wire is negative. Cut that and rewire it. Alright, we're going to cut off the end of the negative. This one's already pre-stripped. Strip the negative. Strip the negative. Twist it up. Get ready for the butt connector. Come underneath. Cut these and strip them. Positive. Negative. Pull out the old light. Got the new light. If you look at the front, you can see it says top. So we'll put it in that way. Look at the front of the light. The hole. Well, it's screwed into the factory holes. There it is. It's mounted. Let's get it wired up. The positive and negative. Blue is positive, black's negative. Use the wire strippers. Strip the wire. Twist the ends of the wire to go in the butt connector. You're going to need the blue butt connectors, which is the 14 to 16 gauge wire butt connectors. I'm going to crimp on the butt connectors. Crimp on both. And we're going to hook up positive and negative. Crimp the blue wire to the red wire for the positive. Black wire to black wire for negative. Let's test it out. Test out the new courtesy light. There it is. New courtesy light is running. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Check out the TH Marine courtesy light to replace your old bulbed courtesy lights.